Are you tired of feeling trapped in a cycle of financial insecurity? Do you want to break free from debt and start building wealth for a financially stable future? Look no further than the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, a comprehensive guide to personal finance that lays out a step-by-step plan to achieve financial freedom. Ramsey's approach begins by debunking common myths about money that keep people trapped in financial insecurity. He challenges the idea that debt is necessary for modern life, arguing instead that debt is a major barrier to financial success. Ramsey stresses that financial problems are often rooted in behavior, not income level, and that anyone can achieve financial freedom by changing their habits and attitudes towards money. So what are the steps to achieving this financial freedom? The first step is to build a small emergency fund of $1,000. This fund serves as a buffer against life's unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills, and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans. It creates a foundation for the rest of the plan and emphasizes the importance of starting small and taking immediate action. Once the emergency fund is in place, the next step is to eliminate all non-mortgage debt using the Debt Snowball method. This involves listing all debts from smallest to largest and focusing on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. As each debt is paid off, the freed up money is used to tackle the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Ramsey argues that the psychological boost of quickly eliminating small debts motivates people to stay committed to the plan. After clearing all non-mortgage debt, the next step is to build a fully funded emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This larger fund provides a safety net against major life events like job loss or medical emergencies, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to take financial risks, such as starting a business or investing. With a strong financial foundation in place, Ramsey encourages investing 15% of your household income in retirement accounts. He recommends focusing on tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs and advises against putting all your money into one type of investment. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring a comfortable retirement. Finally, Ramsey suggests starting to save for your children's college education using tax-advantaged education savings accounts such as 529 plans or ESAs. The goal is to help your children graduate without student loan debt, giving them a strong financial start in life. In conclusion, the Total Money Makeover provides a clear and actionable path to getting out of debt, building wealth, and securing a financially stable future. It's time to take control of your finances and start on the path to financial freedom. Are you ready to make the change? Congratulations on reaching step 6 of the Total Money Makeover. By securing your retirement and your children's education, you've already set yourself up for financial success. Now it's time to focus on paying off your mortgage early. Dave Ramsey advises that becoming completely debt-free, including your home, provides true financial freedom and allows you to build wealth more aggressively. Imagine the peace of mind and the freedom that comes with fully owning your home. This step will put you in an even stronger position to achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. Once you've paid off your mortgage, you'll be well on your way to step 7, building wealth and giving generously. This final step is all about continuing to grow your wealth and using it to make a positive impact on others. Financial success, according to Ramsey, is not just about accumulating money, but also about using it to help others. By this stage, you're in a position to invest in other ventures, support charitable causes, and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. Throughout this journey, there are some key takeaways to keep in mind. First and foremost, financial success is about behavior, not just about income. Changing your financial habits is the key to getting out of debt and building wealth. Debt is not necessary, and living debt-free leads to greater financial freedom. The Debt Snowball method works wonders. Tackling small debts first builds momentum, and to prioritize security through savings like building an emergency fund from financial setbacks. Investing wisely is also important, so focus on retirement savings and diversifying your investments. Planning for the future is essential, as well, saving for your children's education and paying off your home early are key steps to achieving total financial independence. And finally, once you've achieved financial success, use your wealth to make a positive impact on others through generous giving. The Total Money Makeover offers a straightforward and practical guide to personal finance that anyone can follow. Dave Ramsey's step-by-step plan empowers individuals to take control of their finances, eliminate debt, and build wealth, ultimately leading to a life of financial security and the ability to give generously to others. So keep following this plan and stay committed to your financial goals. With dedication and perseverance, you'll soon be on your way to a life of true financial freedom and the opportunity to make a positive impact on the world around you. Keep going, and remember that your financial future is in your hands.